Doba for Dropshipping Honest Review. Watch before using. In this video, I'll give you a straightforward, no-nonsense review of Doba, a popular dropshipping platform. If you're considering using Doba, watch until the end as I'll cover all the key features, who it's best suited for, and any potential downsides. I've also added links to the products mentioned in the description below, so check those out if you're interested. Let's dive into the features. Doba is a dropshipping platform that connects online retailers with suppliers who can ship products directly to customers. One of Doba's standout features is its massive product catalog, offering access to millions of products across various categories. This makes it a solid choice if you're looking for a wide range of products to offer in your online store. The platform also integrates with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, making it easy to sync products, manage orders, and track inventory. Doba's interface is user-friendly, and even if you're new to dropshipping, you'll find it easy to navigate. The platform provides useful tools like product research, price comparison, and order management, which can save you a lot of time and effort. Additionally, Doba offers a data export feature that allows you to download product information and easily upload it to your store. Now, who is Doba best suited for? If you're a beginner in dropshipping, or someone who values a vast selection of products and reliable suppliers, Doba can be a good fit. The platform is also ideal for those who prefer a more hands-off approach to finding and managing suppliers, as Doba does the heavy lifting by vetting suppliers and ensuring product quality. However, there are some downsides to consider. Doba isn't the cheapest option out there, and their subscription plans can be pricey, especially for those just starting out. The platform also charges transaction fees on every order, which can eat into your profits. Additionally, while Doba offers a large product catalog, not all products are competitively priced, so you'll need to do some research to ensure you're offering products that can compete in the market. In summary, Doba is a powerful tool for dropshippers looking for a large selection of products and seamless integration with major e-commerce platforms. It's particularly well-suited for beginners or those who want a more streamlined dropshipping experience. However, the costs involved and the need for careful price research are factors you should weigh before committing to the platform. I hope this review has given you a clear picture of what Doba offers and whether it's the right fit for your dropshipping business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description for more details. Thanks for watching.